Okay. So, according to my calculations, I should be live. I'm gonna go live on TikTok. And it's gonna explain to me. Okay, firstly, okay. I'm using a new. Okay, you can see all that. Great. I'm using my own casting software. I'm using a new one, so this one shouldn't break when I just don't use it for a second. Let's check if the stream's working. Sad. Okay. Great. It looks good. Great. It's readable. It looks good. Oh, it's readable. Good. Okay, now we need to make... What's good is that the boy merch. What's good, Brody? Big up the examiner. You live on TikTok? I'm not live on TikTok. You know how I keep getting banned? I'm just going to stream on YouTube. I think that's easier. Plus, I can show more. Like, this screen looks way better. You know what I'm saying? It's easier, I feel like. But I will be live on TikTok in a second. Let me just... Where am I going to put the camera? That's like not obtrusive. Okay. Okay. Let's get my passport out the frame. That might help. Messy. Bunch of BS. Okay. We're gonna just get into it. Let me put a sticker on my screen. Okay, wait, how do I change this? I don't want that. Okay. Bam. Stickers. Okay, guys. If you're seeing me, if you're on the talk right now, can you join on the YouTube? That's basically, I think that's how we're gonna do it. Cause when I stream on the talk, what's good? When I stream on TikTok, it gets really annoying. So just come to the YouTube. It's Adam Loves Maths. Basically, we're gonna be going over some further maths questions. The big tops of the big tube. The big okay, yeah. The YouTube is Adam Loves Maths. What's good? Okay. That's chat. On the screen. Oh god, I can hear myself. Okay. So this is basically what we're doing because TikTok keeps taking me down when I stream directly through their software. Alright. What's good, Knights? So people are able to find it. Great. So we're gonna be going over Core Pure 2. We're gonna go over this vectors question. That's really buns, apparently. I did it forever ago, and I low-key forgot how I was supposed to do it. So, oh no, I did it. I got it wrong, and I said I'd redo it, but I didn't. What's good? IMX. I'm good. So, but yeah, we're streaming on the tube now. Okay. So I think I'm just gonna get started pretty much. Okay. I should have a timer, right? But I gotta add a timer. Hold up, chat. I'll put it over here. Oh no, I'll put it here. Add it as a source. If you guys want to ask questions, feel free to ask it in the chat. Okay, this is tough, right? The hell's invited me to co-host? What's good? I'm good, chat. Yo, if you want to see me, like, if you want to see the actual stream, check the YouTube, because that's where it's actually happening, guys. Yeah, this is what TikTok's... I'm basically forced to do this at this point. Like, if I keep getting locked off on the mains, it's just not worth the headache of... You know what I'm saying? Okay. Bam. Calm. What you live stream? We're streaming maths. Okay. So. Let's get the timer running. Bam. So, line has this equation. I've already done this question like forever ago, by the way. And I kind of did it at some point. But I didn't end up finishing it. So, we're going to have... What have I just done? Okay, I've just undone... Okay, -5, -4, and 3. By the way, I tried to do this recently, and TikTok just shut me down. So, I did do a little bit of this recently. Like, part A I did, but I just didn't finish it. Cheating on the TT fans. Bro, if TT is going to keep shutting me down, then I'm going to have to. I'm sorry, bro. Okay, r.23 -2 is equal to 6, right? Okay, great. Now, from here, we're going to just sub the point in. So we're going to say lambda minus 5, -3 lambda minus 4, 3 plus 5 lambda, dotted with 2, 3, -2 is equal to 6. And from that, we're going to get 2 lambda minus 10, minus 9 lambda, minus 12, minus 6, minus 10 lambda is equal to 6. Okay. 24, okay, equal 34. And it's like 17 or something, right? Yeah, -17 lambda. Lambda is equal to -2. Okay, great. How did you cheat? What are you talking about? Cheat again, what? Oh. Do you have much interest in football? No. What's with this camera? Join the YouTube live for the actual, like, normal one. Basically. I had notes. Did you get caught? Did you actually get caught? Yes, raps for you, bro. Okay, so point of intersection. We're gonna get... What is it? -7. Again, I've done this. I did this forever ago. Well, hold up. Am I stupid? Yeah, -7, 2, and -7. Again, I did this part very recently, so like I already know the answer. Low key. Okay. B. L2. Reflection of the line L1 in the plane pi. Okay. So common point. Is going to be -7 to -7. And then we're going to have another point, which will be, well, okay. Reflect lambda equals, what, 1? I guess. Oh, okay, no, we'll just reflect the point that we're given. Reflect -5, -4, 3. Right? And what do we get when we do that? Okay, so -5, -4, 3, plus, let's say, mu, lots of the normal, 1 negative, oh no, sorry, 2, 3, -2. Dotted with 2, 3, -2 is equal to 6. Bro, I got famous. I'm not switching up. It's not like that. It's genuinely when I stream using the actual when I stream using like the normal TikTok setup, it just gets really annoying. That's basically why I'm doing all of this. Okay. So we can now say that -10 plus 4 mu minus 12 plus 9 mu minus 6 plus 4 mu equals 6. We're going to get 17 mu is equal to... Is it the same 34 thing? 34. 34. Okay. Mu equals 2. So point reflected. Okay, no. Okay, double it to get reflection. So 0.2 on L2 is going to be what's the point going to be? -1? No, okay. So mu equals 4. So we're going to get 3, I think. -5 plus 8 is... Yeah, I can't lie, I'm correct. Thank you for the roses. I appreciate it. That's YouTube chat. It is. Yeah, pre-recorded. I don't do physics. What's good, Legal Fools? Why everybody saying pre-recorded? What? What's good, boys? Thank you. I appreciate it. I'm live on YouTube right now, chat. How'd you find Corpio 1? I found it really good. I feel solid. I think I got like 72. That's my guess. You weren't talking to chat? Yeah, I'm streaming on YouTube right now. So that's the chat that's easiest for me to see. Like I have to sort of do one of these ones to look at the TikTok chat, you know? Okay. So 0.2 on L2 is gonna be 3, 8, and -5. So 3, 8. Okay, and then 0.1 is going to be -7 to -7. Okay, now we're going to find the direction vector. Is going to be... Okay, we'll call this like A and we'll call this B. Which will be AB, which is B... Oh no, let's do BA, I guess. We're going to get... It will be 10, 6... and 2, I think. Great. Hence, L2 is R is equal to -7 to to -7 plus mu of 10, 6, 2. Great. Speedrun holy. I think I got a minimum of high 60. Yeah, good stuff. Again, I think with these like modern papers, it's very accuracy based, right? Like one minor fuck up will lose you something. I think minimum for me 70, minimum. But that's because you know the roots of polynomials question. I forgot to write out the quadratic formula. I don't think they'll take 2 marks for it. I don't think they would take 1. They probably wouldn't, given the way that I think marks would be allocated. But it's a non-zero chance, so it could be -2 on that. Definitely -2 on the e to the I theta thing. I couldn't get that. And maybe -1 on like, you know, model justification thing, if you know what I'm saying. By the way, guys, don't forget to sub up to the YouTube. Okay, cool. Now we're gonna do C. Okay, plane pi2 contains the line L1 and the line L2. Determine a vector equation for the line of intersection of pi1 and pi2. Okay. So pi2 okay, so pi2, what do we know about pi2? Okay, for pi2, normal is this cross that, which will be the 2 vectors. So it'll be 10, 6, 2 crossed with 1, -3, 5. Okay, great. Hello, Shum. Join the YouTube stream, guys. Okay. So I'm gonna literally just I'll do it in my calculator. You can do cross product in calculator, which is way easier, I am. So we're gonna do option cal. Oh, you know, I just do it on paper. It's easier. So we're gonna get 30 plus 6, which will be 36, and then we're gonna get cover that. It'll be 48, -48. And then cover that. We're gonna get -18 minus. This should be -24. Now, just to confirm, I'm going to play it safe and just do it in the thing. Like, I know I normally wouldn't. Actually, I would definitely do this. Why am I lying? I'm trying to aura farm or something. Okay. Okay, I've just deleted the function that I searched for. Okay. Matrix, cross product, something, comma, something. Okay, find the somethings. It should be math. Okay, cool. Yep. Cool. 36. Oh no, sorry. That's okay. 10, 6, 2, cross 1, -3, 5. Okay, great, we got it. Oh wait, what? Whoa, 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 whoa. Wow, I almost lost that. See, look, that's why you always got to check with the calculator, guys. I got that wrong. Close one. Thank you for the heart, me. I appreciate it, Sean. Hi, Kat. How you doing? Why is it up like this? Because when I stream using TikTok software, it keeps crashing. So I'm just going to stream on YouTube. It's way easier. Dream career mathematician. Yeah, I'm not trying to air chat, I swear. But that's just how it's... That's basically how the cookie crumbles right now. Realistically. Because, like... Okay, look, let me... What's the YouTube I need to sub? It's Adam Loves Maths. Okay, there we go. That will work a little bit better. I think. Okay. Calm. Oh, and you can kind of see me there. You can actually see the full page. Oh, that's fine. That means that everybody can watch. Oh, that's tough, you know. Anyways. Oh, this feels weird now. Like, I'm being watched everywhere. What paper are you doing? I'm doing Core Pure 2 2023, and I'm taking my sweet time. Okay, so, a point... okay. Okay, wait, so it's just literally, we can divide this by 12. We're going to get 3, -4, -3. So we can say that r dot 3, -4, -3 is equal to 3, -4, -3 dotted with -7 to -7. Okay. Minus 21 minus 14. Minus 21 minus 14 plus 21. What? Right, bye. Thank you, Sean. Inshallah, you get the A star. Come on. Is this correct? So it should be. And is it asking for Cartesian form? It probably will. Vector equation. Oh wait, line of intersection. Oh god, wait. Am I stupid here? I think I cooked my mechanics test. Good. What paper? We're doing 2023 Core Pure 2. Okay, wait. Vector line of intersection. Why is my brain just going blank? We got the two vectors. Normal, normal. Okay, wait. So what have I even found? Okay, the normal to pi 2 is that. Okay, I need to do the normal to that, right? Okay, normal to normals is going to be 3, -4, -3 cross, and then pi 1 is what? 2, 3, -2. -3, -4, and 3. 2, 3, -2. What happened to the usual screen? TikTok keeps banning my lives when I do it on the... They don't ban it, it just keeps getting shut down whenever I go live on TikTok software. So if you want to see like the actual screen, just check Adam Loves Maths on YouTube, basically. Okay. 101, apparently. 3, -4, -3, 2, 3, -2. Okay, so the normals to normals apparently... that feels wrong, I feel like. But it'll be fine. So we can say -7 to -7 dotted with 101 is equal to... Wait, what? Okay, wait, no, okay. So, line of ints, it should be -7 to -7 plus s lots of 101. I think it's also a bit wrong, but... I mean, do you show working? You should write your working out, basically. No, I get what you're saying. Hi, waifu. How you doing, mate? Okay, cool. And now... Wait, where's my drink gone? Is applied? No, we used to get half the screen. Just join on YouTube, guys. What the fuck are you putting in my chat, bro? Okay, love, man. You know this brother keeps yelling that at the school, like, in school. Try OBS Studio. That's a shout, man. I've never heard of it. I didn't do Senior Mouse Challenge. I was sick on the day. Clock is ticking. Yeah. I'm taking my time. I'm not rushing. Guys, am I rushing or am I dragging? I lost... Yeah, you're getting a U-star, Ramper. Don't worry. I don't like this new viewpoint. Then go onto YouTube and watch the actual stream. Okay, I guess HK. Okay. R.11a is equal to b, where a and b are constants. Okay. So we can say... Oh, I know how to solve this, I think. Okay, so assuming that my answer to this part is correct, we should get x plus... Okay. X... Y... Z. We're going to get this simultaneous equation. We're going to get 1a is equal to b. So that's our first one, right? We got that thing. Yeah. Our second equation will be... wait, am I stupid? Pi 3, okay. Pi 1. Okay, no, pi 1 is 2x plus 3y. So it'll be 2, 3, negative 2, 6. So we're going to have 2, 3, negative 2, 6. Can this come up in physics paper 1? Yeah, 110%. Alright, calm. Okay, and then our third plane, which is... So we've done pi 1. We've done pi 3. We need pi 2. So, oh, we have pi 2's thing here, right? Wait, what? Hold up. So I have the... Okay. So for pi 2, we're going to have r dot, what, 3, 4, negative 3 is equal to 3, negative 4, negative 3 is equal to negative 7 to negative 7 dot 3, negative 4, negative 3. And so we're going to get 3x minus 4y minus 3z is equal to... I already did this equation, I'm sure. So those will cancel each other, and then we'll get negative 8. 3, negative 4, negative 3. By the way, I could like absolutely just be wrong about everything I'm doing. What the heck is this angle? Is the angle where you can watch it on YouTube, basically. Just look at Adam Loves Maths on YouTube, guys. Yeah, that's the one. Okay. So now we can say singular matrix because it forms a sheaf. And so we can say that 1 open bracket negative 9 minus 8 plus, minus 1 open bracket negative 6 plus 6 plus A, open bracket, -8 minus 9 is equal to 0. A is equal to -1? Because this is just 0. That's -17. That's -17. So if A is -1, then yeah, I think that works. Why stop streaming papers on TikTok? Because TikTok live just keep going down. It's really annoying. All-nighter, yes, something like that, bro. Yeah, like, I like streaming on TikTok. Like, it's a lot more interactive, I would say, than YouTube. But TikTok live just keep going down. I don't know. I don't know if I'm getting shut down intentionally. I don't know if it's an issue with my software. But it just happens, and it doesn't happen on YouTube. So that's why I'm streaming here. Pretty much. I also want people to subscribe to my YouTube, to be fair. Dude, jump on the game already, I guess, bro. Okay, and then... we should have a point of intersection here, right? So let's let z equal 0 just to play it safe. So we should get x plus y is equal to b. We should get 2x plus 3y is equal to -4. Oh, sorry, no, is equal to 6. And what else? 3x minus 4y is equal to -8. Okay, now for this point, using the bottom two, using 1, 2, we should get a value for x and a value for y. So 2, oh shit. How do you find Econ Paper 2? I dropped Econ, actually. What's good? Yeah, EO, TikTok keeps shutting down my lives for some reason. It's really annoying. I don't know why. So I'm just going to start streaming on YouTube. Okay, x equals 0, y equals 2. 2 is equal to b, b is equal to 2. So I've got a is 1 and b is 2. Now, that's my answer. Only took me 20 minutes for 12 marks, but I have extra time. What's the YouTube called? It's called Adam Loves Maths. I will... Let me get a link up and just like hover it over the screen, because I think that will make more people. But I also kind of want the stream to be seeable. Hi, Mubin. Okay, wait, let's do like that. And I kind of... Okay. Is that good? Can you donate me your extra time? No, I will be gatekeeping it. What paper are you doing? I'm doing Core Pure... I'm doing Core Pure 2. 2023. Let me... Yeah, cool. Let me check the mark scheme, actually, to make sure that it's fine. Do you think... Oh, 100% Vex is going to be on CP2. Definitely, definitely, definitely. There's no way they don't, right? They can't go a whole year without Vex's questions. That would be ridiculous. Okay, let's see if I got it right. This is question 5, right? No, no, it's not. Which question is this? 2023, question 5. Am I stupid? Oh, looking at A-level maths. What econ exam board were you doing before you dropped out? I was doing Edexcel A. I can still answer econ questions. If you guys have econ questions, I'm completely down to answer them. Like, that's not a problem. I'm still good at econ. Like, although I've forgotten a lot of the niche stuff, I'm still generally okay, I would say. So yeah. Let's check the mark scheme. Okay. 5. Okay, am I stupid here? What paper is this? Oh, it's Core Pure 1. My bad. Real question is, how do we be like Adam? Come on, Leo. Don't worry, you got like pretty much unconditional offer. You're chill, bro. Do you reckon they'd put a similar vector question to the one from Brampton? I really hope so, actually, man. I found that one really fun. I think that would be a really cool question to get something like. But, I don't know. Welsh mechanics. What the fuck? Bro, what's going on in Wales, man? These guys be Welsh and just doing some bullshit. This is what happens when you're Welsh, guys. I'm sorry for you, by the way. Brother said Welsh mechanics. What's the difference between Welsh mechanics and normal mechanics? Wait, do they assume that Welsh is your first language? There's no way they do, right? Okay, I got it. Wait, okay. -1. Ooh, hold up, Bosch. -7. Huh? Okay, or equivalent. Yeah, fine. Same thing. Yeah, I use the same point. Yeah, fine. Okay, cool. Great. And then A is -1. B is equal to 2. Great. We got it. We take it. Just more Welsh. Just more Welsh. Okay, first. Just like you could just feel the vibes, basically. Like just the Welsh vibes. We got it, by the way, chat. I'm happy about that. So, yeah. It took me forever, but at least I didn't fuck it up. Right? This is more like, okay, although I want to, you know, help you guys. If you ask for help on the questions, I'll give you help on the questions. I also want to be able to confirm that I'm able to do these things. Okay, I've just closed Spotify. I'm an idiot. It's fine. I'm going to just go over questions that I found tricky. We'll go next song. Let me put on something like happier, because this is a bit down. Like it's gas. Ooh. What paper is this? This is Corpio 1 2023, chat. And if you want to see the actual paper properly, join the YouTube stream. Cool. How'd you get your YouTube name to be one word? I don't know. I just did it. Like, I didn't think there was something specific I had to do there. Are you not able to? When's your last exam? 19th of June, and I can't wait. Because you know what it is, right? Somebody said, I think that vectors, hyperbolic sub, integration, proof by inductions, guarantees come up. Absolutely. Add to that, polar coordinates. Gotta come up. There's no way they don't. Do you think Corpio 2 is going to be much harder? Here's the thing, right? I don't feel like, at this point, there is really hard questions. There are tricky questions, right? But, at this point, mandatory shirt tug, we should require, like, we know all the content. We're good at all the content. There's nothing that's really hard for me. Do you know what I'm saying? Like, there can be a question that's a bit tricky, a bit confusing, a sort of don't know where to start it, a bit, what's the word, like, my brain's just gone. Unknown, arbitrary, like, they can put weird stuff, but there's not really hard questions. How are you feeling for Thursday? I'm feeling confidence. I am feeling confident, Kin. We're getting this A star. That's weird, Rob. Maybe look it up on Google. Silly mistake. Yeah, 100%, Sam. Any plans after exam? What's up, Theo? Do I have any plans? Upgraded the stream to YouTube, of course, bro. Look how much better the quality is, too. You can see my whole screen. I'm kind of doing the Bison Maps thing, I can't lie. Because I like it. I got the face cam, and then you got the whole question for the screens. You know what I'm saying? What am I going to do? Okay, firstly, I need to get ripped, because I'm fat. I need to lose some weight. So that's happening as soon as exams are done. What else? I want to learn more further maths modules. Yeah, I want to do that. I want to get good at some niche stuff. I want to get good at, what do you call it? I want to get good at the drums. Will you live at home and going to uni? No, I have an offer for Oxford Maths, which is what I've chosen and what I should hopefully be doing. For Oxford, for my college particularly at least, you have to live there. Also, I live in London, and London is like 2.5 hours from Oxford. Where's the get rich part? What do you mean? I mean, I could get rich after I've gone to uni. Stop being funny. Econ paper 2, now I have another exam tomorrow. What do I do, Adam? Get off this stream, go to sleep and lock in. Good luck, Pyro. I wish you the best. And chat to Mithra. I learnt John Conway Doomsday Clock. What? Doomsday Clock. Do you think an A star is out of... 67 out of 75 is not ridiculous. You can definitely come back from that, 100%. No, it's doable. Just lock in. What modules do you plan on learning? I want to do as much... I want to be as versatile as possible when it comes to maths. I want to learn some high-level mechanics. I want to learn some high-level pure. I want to learn some high-level stats. I want to just do whatever. Like, I don't know. I'm doing my master. I'm going to do my masters. I plan on doing my masters, assuming that I, don't fuck up the A-level so bad that I don't get into Bath. So I just want to do as much as I can. How do you further pure with further Mech 1? What do you mean? How do I do it? Sorry, stop worrying about what you got and start worrying about what you can get. That's true, I agree with that. Sorry, that question got muted by the stream. Approved comment. I can tell you the day of... I think you mentioned that to me. That's tough. How do you do that? What's the trick to that? What is the trick to that? That's a good question. Okay, we're going to do another question. Does anybody in chat have a particular question you want me to go over? You kind of seem like that Ashton Hall guy. I see it. Would you recommend grade bound should be this year? Are we expecting a stinker for paper 2? I don't know. The question is really... Because obviously, edXL wasn't getting the papers... and then thinking, oh, how did they do on this? And then reacting to that. Maybe they thought that this one was really hard. You know what I'm saying? Doomsday Clock /rule. Oh, is that like with the date and stuff? Fairs. Modules, further Mech 1, further pure 1. Okay. Thank you for the subscribers. We're nearly at 100 subscribers, by the way, chat. If we can push that, I'd be goated. We're 2 subs off 100. Okay. Opinions on A-level physics? I don't do them. I don't do it, but it seems cool. This isn't even marked for some reason. Oh, because it had some more solution on it. I think I got this right. I was at least close to it. Oh, God. Deary me. No, we're not doing this. Resources. Basically, they just had to go. They're probably going to keep it the same difficulty, trying to be more accessible, yeah. Can't find your YouTube channel, that's odd. It's Adam Loves Maths. It should be... If you check my profile... link tree. If you check my profile, there's a link to a maths YouTube. We're at 99 subs, by the way, guys. Thank you for the subs. I appreciate it. Yeah, Theo, they're gone. I mean, if you need extra resources and stuff, ask around in the Cord. You can ask people. I don't do that stuff. That's not me. Okay, apparently somebody looked up Core Pure Maths livestream further maths revision. Adam Chris Griffin. Okay, good question. Who do you think's had a better impact on the world out of Gandhi, Mother Teresa, and Bison Maths? I think we know the answer to that, guys. It's the big B. Now, the reason it's Bison Maths is for this, right? How many... Okay, firstly, right, Gandhi, I'm pretty sure... If I'm gonna just look this up real quick. Was Gandhi a nonce? Okay. Yeah. Yeah. I'm pretty sure he was somebody who liked pizza of the cheese variety. For that Gandhi guy. KSI. KSI's goated. I'm like one person removed from KSI because I know Tazim. Big up. Wait, what? Follow the YouTube, basically. We're streaming on there now. We're 1 sub off of 100. It's so cooked for literature. Don't worry, Math Chan. I got a 6 in literature and I have an Oxford Maths offer. It doesn't matter. W YouTube, thank you. My laptop's making me crash out. Dark. Okay. Is there any question you guys want to go over in particular? Because I'm just going to keep doing random questions. Let's do this one, because I got this wrong when I did it. We're just gonna refresh this page. There is almost no way a question like this comes up, but may as well, right? Banana. We're redoing questions. Bloody hell. Algebra much? Ba-bum, 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 ba-bum. Power and conflict? Oi, Fairs. Don't forget, that brother Ozymandias, he was a bad guy, I think. I'm pretty sure it's like Walter White. What happened to Bros Live? We're doing it on YouTube now. Keep following up the YouTube. Come on, 100? Oh, we're still on 99, by the way. Just saying, stream. Okay, we're going to just go over this question. I'll run the timer, why not? Actually, I'll reset timer. I've got politics and further maths on Thursday. Rip. Oh, dark. Dark. What's good, Vic? How you doing, man? I'm doing well. This brother's one of the OGs. Worlds and lives. Yeah, love, man. So you're literally doing TikTok live for your GCSE, yeah? Love. Type. French speaking mock. How did it go, Tommy? Okay, we're going to just get started, I think, on this question. So. Okay. So. Wait, hold up. What? Okay, wait, like, I'm sure I've done this. Oh, up to 2n, okay. For odd n, we're gonna have, negative f of r. For even n, we're gonna have f of r. Or for even r, I guess. Full marks. Oh, do you know already, Fez? You been on 99 or more? Oi, 102! How greedy! You need a 7... Bro, why is this Alex guy coming onto the YouTube to hate, man? No, I'm joking. We're getting that 75 out of 75, don't worry. Jermaine W. Any proof by induction predictions, recursion? I don't think... Oh, recursion. That is a shout, you know. I think... I want to see a recursion relation, because I'm good at those. I want to see that happen. I feel like it could happen. It was just an assessment. Like, oh, like a... Like, does it contribute to your grade, though? Or no? What's going on here, then? We're streaming on YouTube now. I want to see it happen. If it happens, that's goated for me, because that basically puts me ahead. Okay. So, we're going to have, for that. Okay, so we're going to get, the sum of even r. Okay, the sum to n, r equals 1, of even r. Well, let's say f of even r minus the sum between n, r equals 1, of odd r. F of odd r. This feels like a really bad explanation. So it equals the sum between n r equals 1 of f of 2r minus f of 2r minus 1. Hence shown. I don't know how I'm expected to show that. We need full marks for the culture. What do you mean all the culture? You mean for the culture? We're getting full marks for the culture. When was the last time revision felt boring? Here's the thing. I love maths. Revising's fun, usually. It feels boring sometimes. When was it? It was probably the other day. Like, I don't always want to revise, but I know I always have to do it, right? Like, pretty much. But it's usually chill. Like, I love doing my subject. It's just like, can we freshen it up and get some new content in here? Because we've been doing this further math stuff since like year 11. Or since like last year. Okay. So, the sum between 2n r equals 1 of, what is it? I flopped English, you flopped it. It's all good, bro. Yo, lock in next thing, you can get a 6. Don't worry. Lock in next one, bro. Don't worry about your last test. Go next. His face is 2D now. Wasn't it always 2D? Unless you see me in real life, it was 2D. By the way, you know what might be fun? I was genuinely considering this. Like, because I have a pretty big viewer base in London. Why don't I just get all my viewers to... Nah, there's no way people can actually go to that. I was thinking, why don't I just like get all my viewers to like all show up at the same place on results day? That could be fun, right? But that's a bit brazy, I can't lie. I don't know how that would logistically work. Meet and eat live. Meet and eat. What? The fuck is a meet and eat? Oh, meet and greet. I was gonna say. I was so confused for a sec. Let me just try something. I'm gonna put my phone on charge. Come Nando's. I'm actually down to do a Nando's live. That'll be fun. That is a shout, you know. Are you from London? Yeah, I'm from East London. I remember I went to London. Sorry, I live in London. I went to Nando's on GCSE results day, I remember. I did a mukbang one time on live, bro. It just didn't bang. Nobody watched it. It was just really awkward. Okay, so we're going to have lots of this thing, which will be 4r squared plus 4r open bracket negative 1 to the r plus negative 1 to the 2r. Right? Yeah, tough. Which is equal to the sum between 2n r equals 1 of 4r squared plus 1 plus the sum between 2n r equals 1 of 4r minus 1 to the r. Any more chats? Can you visit my school? No. What's up, Will? How you doing? Is City Academy a good school in Hackney? I haven't been there. I don't know. I know Hackney's a weird area. You know what I'm saying? Because, like, I have family from Hackney, right? When I'm with them, it is not a nice area, if you know what I'm saying. The amount of stuff I see in Hackney, not a nice area, but they also have, like, all this, like, new gen stuff. You know what I'm saying? It's gentrification. No, you're saying there's a lot of rainbow people there. There's not even. No, you don't understand it, because it's split into 2 sections, right? So you got Hackney, right? And then you got gentrified, and you got gangs. Like, yeah. As an Oxford, thank you, Theo. I appreciate it. Hopefully, we will be neighbours next year, or this year. I can see next year. What secondary like? It was good. Oh, absolutely not, Sam. I was on the news? No, I wasn't. I was on Oxford's page. I was not on any news. They would have put me on the news for getting an Oxford offer. I think. No, I wasn't expecting it. I was ready to just get it over with and just, like, just get it and get the clip and be like, alright, I didn't get in, you guys can make fun of me now. And then I was just shocked by getting it. Favorite anime? Probably My Hero. Because I haven't watched that many animes. I know I have a poster behind me. It's like the only anime I watch. I don't really watch anime. I'm not a big anime guy. I don't like watching shows, usually. It feels like, if I'm going to spend my time doing something, it's got to be active. Not active. It's got to be something where I'm physically engaging, you know? Playing a video game, you move your cursor, you move your character. Playing the drum games, you're doing something physically. I don't feel is... Yes, Kermit. Hi, Aiden, how you doing? Okay. So, we're going to use our identity that we've made here, right? I'm assuming. So, we're going to get the sum between n of r equals 1 of, what is it, f of, so it'd be 4 lots of 2r. Minus or plus? Yeah. 4 lots of 2r minus 1. I think. Sorry, 2r minus 1? Yeah. F of r is 2r. No, f of r is 4r. And then... Oh, it's fine. We'll figure it out. Prank call Slough Pharmacy. Go on engineering interview. Fairs. I know somebody who absolutely, like, flopped their entrance test for engineering and they still got an offer. Not from Oxford, but, like, from a very, very top uni. Is the boy Ash in live? My fellow intern is an IB maths grad from Imperial. Fairs. What happens if every school rejects me? What, for university or for A-levels? What do you mean by school? Oh, you'll be fine. Like, you'll be chilling, Kermit. There's no way that every school rejects you. You just go to a different one. You're working with geniuses, Fairs. I did get an offer for Imperial. How many exams have you done so far? I've only done one. I've only done Core Pure 1. I know I'm taking my time on this questions because I keep reading chats. My bad. Let's see how many subscribers the YouTube's on. Don't forget to subscribe. We're on 1 of 3. Nice. Okay. So, we should get... Oh, I suck at these. Wait. Okay, so it should be... 2n... Oh, no. It should be 8n over 6. Open bracket 4n plus 1. No, wait. Yeah, plus 1. 2n plus 1. Right, so it's the same formula but replaced with 2n. Plus 2n. Plus 8 over 2 n plus 1. Minus the same thing. Is it not? Minus n. So that cancels with that. And it should be plus n. Plus n. Look at old school maths mark schemes. They expect you to circle drag formula. So you will... Yeah, maybe. I'd rather not just... The thing is, Alex, I don't see that much gain in thinking about it. Like, yeah, I might have. I might have not. Like, what do I gain about overanalyzing? I'm just going to think about the next paper. I can't change it now. So, yeah. Yo, what's up, GCSE Roto Nans? Bot Adam, don't do that. Yo, I'm making it very clear the wink is that you can see that on the relay through that thing. Don't buy it. No, I'm joking. Don't. Actually, don't. I consider Imperial mathematicians geniuses. Yeah. Pretend to be a Tesco worker live. Beep. Yeah, of course, Alex. Defo. Okay, what form does it want in? By the way, I know I'm taking forever for this. So 4 over 3. Oh, God. 2n plus 1. Okay, so there should be a factor of 2n plus 1 here. 2n plus 1. Oh, God. 4 over 3n. 4n plus 1. Plus 3n. Plus 3n? That doesn't factor out, right? God. AQA Econ? No, I don't. Is this OCR? This is LXL. LSE Economist. Fairs. You work at some crazy places. Fair enough. Oh yeah, IB, you said. Investment banking. Okay. What am I messed up? So those cancelled out. The 1 is the only thing here and it's positive. Fine. Do I just expand it all out? I think that might be the one, right? Because there's not an n. Is there an n on the outside? There is an n on the outside. Okay, let's factor out n and then see what we get from here. So we're gonna have I don't like that 4/3. I think that's gonna cook me somehow. So we're gonna have n open bracket 4/3 open bracket 8n squared plus 6n plus 1 plus 3. N open bracket 4/3 8n squared plus 6n oh god, 3 divided by 4/3. I'm cooked. Yeah, this is wrong. But the question is, where did I mess up? All further maths papers calculator. Yeah, everything beyond GCSE, everything's A level. So lucky he doesn't have to worry about physics. I know, right? Okay. Wait. So it should be n/6. 2n. So 4 lots of. Oh god, it's given in the formula, right? But how does that help me? Yeah, so it should be 2n/6 multiplied by 4. Right? It's 4r squared. Oh, it's all multiplied by r. Silly me. Right? Oh, I'm so stupid. Okay, so I got the r for that part. Wow, wait. I forgot to multiply it all by r like I was supposed to. Oh, I'm so silly. No. So this is all useless, basically. Silly me. Drag the puzzle piece. This guy gatekeeping his live. Yeah, something like that, bro. Okay, that's so silly of me. So I just forgot to multiply by r like I was supposed to. Okay. So we're gonna get oh god. Okay. Yeah, I left the r on the outside, but I didn't use it. Okay, so we're gonna get 2n squared 2n plus 1 squared, and then that whole thing cancels out. Yeah, fine. So plus sum between 2n r equals 1 of negative, oh wait, no, plus r, no, plus a half 1/2 n plus 1. Okay, I'm really hoping that works out somehow. That feels odd again, because there shouldn't be a half in here at all in the final thing. Have you tried lip syncing your own live? What? What do you mean lip syncing my own live? Okay, plus sum between 2n r equals 1 of 4r squared negative 1 to the r. Okay, plus sum between n r equals 1 of 4 open bracket 2r minus 4 open bracket, wait, 2r squared? Yeah, 2r minus 1 squared. Right, because we use the same thing. F of 2r minus f of 2r minus 1. Yeah, where f of r is equal to that. Okay, tough. Back to spamming maths and CS. Yeah, fairs. How did you feel about Econ Paper 2? Okay. So it's equal to 16/6, I think. Wait, 16 over... Okay, hold on. Wait, no. Okay, let's just do the sum between n and r equals 1 of 16r squared minus 16r squared plus, am I stupid? 16r minus 4, I think. Yeah. That works out. Cool. Cheeky B. Yeah, fair enough. Esports. Really? Fairs. Bro, I would have been going crazy. Do you use Bison more or your teachers? What do I use more? I don't really use Bison much anymore. Like, I use them to learn content. It was great for that. I don't really use him that much for revision unless I forget something. But I obviously go to every lesson, so definitely my teachers more now. But Bison's still a great resource if I need it. Oh, sorry, minus 4n. So we're going to get 2n squared, 2n plus 1 squared, plus a half n plus 1. Why is there a half in here? That doesn't feel right. That shouldn't show up, no? Because, like, where does that half get counted out? What's your offer from Oxford? A star, A, with A star maths further maths for maths degree. You only do non-calculator past paper? What do you mean? I'm using a calculator right now. Do you do decision? No, I do further make one, further pure one. I feel like I'm cooked here, man. There's always a half, and I just don't know how to get rid of it. Oh, wait! Silly me. I just keep doing silly shit. It should be 2n plus 1, right? No. Yeah! Okay, damn, man. I just keep making silly mistakes. N open bracket 2n plus 1. N open bracket 2n plus 1. Okay, and so we're going to get n open bracket 2n plus 1 open bracket 4n 2n plus 1 plus 1 hopefully that cancels out to be easy. Well, you get A star comp sci, but still A star. It would be at the. I would basically be at the. What do you call it? The mercy of Oxford. But on paper, I shouldn't get in. Summations already came up. Yeah, but it could be a weird one. They haven't done any proof by what do you call it? Method of differences. I'm doing 2023 Core Pure 1 because it's like the hardest. What's for the setup? We're streaming on YouTube because TikTok. My PC TikTok lives keep getting taken down. That's basically it. We're streaming on Adam Loves Maths on YouTube. Because it's easier and I have more freedom. Basically. Like I like being able to use the whole thing. I can show a whole screen now. How are you feeling for Core Pure 2? I'm feeling confident. I don't think you gain anything other than confident, you know? What is it? 4 open bracket 4n n plus 1. Oh, sorry, 2n plus 1. I think is like my favorite word. Come on. Oh, for AS, great stuff. 74, that's great. When's the paper? Thursday. What's going on? We're streaming on YouTube, basically. YouTube channel is Adam Loves Maths. How was maths? Further maths was great. Okay, so we're gonna get n open bracket 2n plus 1 lots of 8n squared plus 4n plus 5. Plus 5, I think. Go, this is boogies. Oh! Great! Hence shown. Love that. Great stuff. I think you'll get 3A stars. Of course I will, Alex. Don't worry. We will be there. I spam therefore. Yeah, fair enough. I mean, on paper, I used to... Yeah, I spam... I was definitely more of a therefore merchant back in, yeah... What do you call it? I was more of a therefore merchant back in GCSEs when I first learned it. I didn't know you went to that sixth form. Which one, J-Cubes? Unbanned? Here's the thing, Kemenge, yo. Unbanned is kind of questionable. I don't even know if I was getting banned. I just know that my lives kept getting shut down when I streamed through TikTok. So I just decided to stream on YouTube because it's easier. Like, I like having full access to everything. Just oh, okay, yeah, you do know my sixth form. Tar, do you phone maths? Of course he does. Nah, he doesn't. Got to use the box with crosses to improve. No, you got to do like a little. Woo! You see that? The way the two lines. It's like when you get a haircut and you get the two lines on the back. You know what I'm saying? What is the difference between you and someone who struggles in A-level maths? You should do further if you want to do further. That's basically it. Like, if you're going to be dedicated to it, then do it. Is that the real Zishan? It's not, right? Yeah, nah. Need straight in them line, little taper fade. You know what I'm saying? Something like that. Line locked. Yeah, you just misspelled that. No, it doesn't count. What's good, CP20? What's your barber name? You can avoid him. It's fine. No way. It's the real Zishan. Okay, I've just unfiltered every comment. What's happening? We're streaming on YouTube. Thank you, Kemenge. How you doing, Kemenge? When's bro posting new YouTube videos? I'll be posting them. I might decide to start posting more after... Oh, Haroon from Thingy. Okay, yeah, Fez. I was confused for a sec. You're good. That's good to hear, man. I'm going to probably post more over the holiday. I'll definitely get at least 1 or 2 videos out throughout the half term. And I'll definitely be posting way more after... what do you call it? Once A-level's done, I'll be posting all the time. Yeah, fair enough. I think I will, Kemenge. Because I've got a decent following on TikTok. So I can sort of, you know, get them over, hopefully. How many views on YouTube? 9 right now. Which is pretty decent for my YouTube. It's a very fresh account. Can you post a video of how you're so leng? Thank you. Thank you, Zishan. Yeah, Corpy won really well, I think. I think like 72 or 71. Thank you, Kemenge. Big up. You're right? I'm good, Rory. I'm good. Okay, now we've got to do some next part. Okay, C. Do you hoop? No. I'm 5'4". No, I'm lying. Anyway, bro, yeah. Thank you, Kemenge. I appreciate it, man. W-mans. Okay. So the sum between 50 and R equals 14. Oh, this is weird. I know it is. So, we're doing it for 2n. Oh, God. Wait, this is going to be tricky. Next exam when? Next exam... What? 1 second. Next exam is Thursday. This Thursday. This coming Thursday. When's Corporate 2? Yeah, Thursday, Jack. Okay. So I've got to do the sum between 50 and R equals 14. I hate doing these sort of things with, like, 2 ends and stuff. So... Oh, God. Okay. So I think we just halve everything. Like we're gonna have n is... God, I hate these. So the sum between 25. 2n equals 25. Okay, wait, no. I'm not even sure, man. Okay. Cause I can't do like 13 over 2. What more did you pick for further maths? I did further pure 1, further mech 1. God, I hate this question. Okay. So it's obviously the same thing, right? Yeah. So we're going to have to take the sum between 50 and r is equal to 14. What is that equal to? I'd like... Because I want to do to 13, but that doesn't work for these sort of things. Let's do the sum between 50r equals 1 minus the sum between... Like, I can't do 13. 13 just doesn't work. Because if I do 13, I'm going to get like a half. Fuck it. We're going to try it. I guess. So we're going to get the sum. So we're going to... Okay, basically we're going to get the sum given n is equal to 25 minus the sum given n is equal to 6.5. I don't think this works. I might just check it. Did your hair fall out? No. I'm just stressed. I'm going to check Mark's scheme. I know it's cheating, but I want to make sure that I'm... It's a really odd question. What? Not even sure. A lot of people telling you to drop what? Yeah, Sham, I think it's absolutely worth it. I think it's absolutely worth it. Will I get disqualified from my GCSEs for swearing around invigilator? It depends. Are you swearing before the exam? I'm dreading physics paper 1. I wish you the best, Jack. You've got the shit, don't worry. That's my engineer right there. It depends. Like, if you swear at the invigilator... if you go to a school where this invigilator is really strict and you're really unlucky, then if it was before the exam and you're with your mate, as long as you're not swearing, as long as you're not going to the invigilator and you're like, fuck you, I don't think it really matters. Like, the invigilator's an adult, they get you stressed before the exam. If they haven't told you, like, oh, you're going to get cooked for this or whatever, you're fine. It's just, don't worry. I laughed at the invigilator's face. I told my invigilator that they were being ridiculous. Don't worry, Will. I love you, gang. Don't worry. Tyson, thank you. There is no Queen of England. Egon Paper 2, how was it? You've lost hella weight since you're 11. What the fuck? Yeah, I know. I have. King's Math School. How do I be so cracked to the point where these international students get smoked? I think... Oh, just do, like... Learn content very early, and then just practice. That's it. Like, that's all you've got to do for maths. Just learn content early, and just keep practicing. That's it. Yeah, I think you are, Adam. Do you just do past papers all the time? Yeah. LSE Anthropology. But you still got into LSE. Who gives a fuck? Dunce of Oxford, I guess, bro. Oh, it's fine. I don't do physics, Joshua. Should I bang out in summer? No. Take the summer off, bro. If they set you, like, summer assignments, then do them. But outside of that, you really don't have to. Okay, so I'm expected to do the sum between 50 minus the sum to 14 plus it evaluated at 14. Okay. That's interesting logic. I should have considered that. Cool. Oh, wait, minus 13? Oh, okay. Yeah, cool. So I will explain my way through that. But I got it wrong. I didn't get it wrong, but, like, I didn't know how to do it for this part. It's a really odd question. Oxford and LSE, take Oxford. Any day of the week, take Oxford. Oxford has so much more aura. Prince, not dance. Yeah, whatever you say, bruh. OCFs, yes, yes. Exam was going well, though. Yeah, Core Pure 1 was great. That's the only exam I've had so far. What happened to the server? It does not contain everything it used to. And it's not going to. But, you know, if you need resources, ask other people in the server. They might be able to help you, but I don't touch that stuff anymore. That's not my point of interest. It's got... Nothing happened. I just decided... Every change that was made by me. I will tell you that. I was not pressured by anyone. You know, I didn't get a cease and desist. I didn't get anything like that. Yeah. It was a preemptive sort of thing, you know? Bringing down the boundaries, I see you. Nah, I'm joking. I've already brought up the boundaries. Don't worry. Okay. This is a really odd question. I'm not gonna lie. I see why I got it wrong the first time. Am I looking at some summation stuff? Okay. So the sum between r equals 14 and 50 is equal to the sum between 50 and r equals... Oh, sorry, 13? Yeah. 1 minus the sum between 50, r equals 12, plus... Oh, sorry, no, minus? Yeah. Minus... it evaluated at 13. So it'd be 13... Alright, see you, Sean. Look strong, have fun, thank you. What's for the setup? We're streaming on YouTube now because TikTok is really annoying when it comes to its streaming platform. So we're streaming on YouTube now. That's what we're doing. Yeah. Thanks to the subscribers, guys. I appreciate it. Yeah. What am I seeing? Maths. And a setup of me streaming maths. Yeah. Okay. Minus 13 times what? Oh, sorry. No. 26. Okay, no. Minus 13, open bracket. 26 minus 1 squared. I think. I'm going to check mark scheme again because I don't want to... Yeah, 26 minus 1 times 13. Okay, yeah, cool. And then you just solve this, you know. Okay, and then you just do like the sum, you know, 2n equals 50, n equals 25, n equals 6, and then minus that. And then you just get it. Okay, cool. That's how you do it. I'm a dip. I'm also going to dip, Theo. Best of luck for Thursday if I don't watch. Thank you, Theo. I actually appreciate the kind words a lot. How's comp sci going? We don't talk about that subject on here. No, I'm joking. I think Durham is better than... Yeah, you're cooked. No, I'm joking. I mean, like, you're wrong. Yeah, you're not cooked. You're wrong. Anyways. That's how you solve that question. I'm going to hop off stream for now. Make sure to subscribe to the YouTube. If you feel like subscribing. If you don't have to. I'm not going to force you. Yeah. Thank you all for watching very much. I appreciate it. There'll be more lives tomorrow. Maybe. Oh, no, it's Tuesday. Yeah, there'll definitely be lives tomorrow. We're going to do some more questions tomorrow. It'll be more structured. And I'll start earlier because I will have actually set everything up. This is the YouTube for people on TikTok. Yeah. For YouTube people, thanks for watching. See ya. Okay, so, you know what? I hate it when I, like, click the button to say, like, see ya and do the sign off. And then it gives me, like, a confirm. Thank you for watching.